How to download Middle-earth Shadow of War on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to download Middle-earth Shadow of War on PC or laptop. So in that case, you have to follow the instruction as guided. So for that case, you have to go ahead and install Steam on your device. Make sure to open up a browser and type in steampowered.com. Go ahead and tap on install Steam button. When you do that, it's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, go ahead and follow the instructions and install Steam on your device. When you're done installing, go ahead and create your account. And as you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to the home page. And from there, go to stores. Over here, you need to go ahead and locate the game that you wish to download. That is Middle-earth Shadow of War. Just type in that. When you locate the following game, go ahead and press on it, and that's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and press the install or buy now button or add to cart button and then install or purchase the game, and you'll have successfully downloaded or installed the game on your device. So in this way, you can download Middle-earth Shadow of War on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.